Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Monster Prom. First, pick one of 4 unique monster protagonists to begin your journey at Spooky High. Your goal is to secure a date for the upcoming Monster Prom, which is 3 weeks away. You'll make many dialogue choices that directly impact your character's stats, shaping your path to romance. Every decision matters as you try to win over your monstrous crush. Monster Prom features 6 core stats that are crucial for success. Each dialogue option you choose will boost one or more of these stats, such as boldness, charm, or smarts. These choices are not just for show, they directly influence the events you encounter and the unique character routes you can pursue. Pay close attention to your responses to effectively impress your chosen monster. Your main objective is to successfully date one of the 10 main love interests, or even a secret character. To achieve this, you must meet specific stat thresholds through your choices. The game boasts over 400 unique endings, each determined by your decisions and the monster you pursue. Replay the game many times to uncover all the diverse and hilarious story paths. Monster Prom truly shines with its multiplayer mode, allowing up to 4 friends to play together, either locally or online. You can compete to win the affection of your chosen monster, or even cooperate for shared goals. Each playthrough offers opportunities to unlock new items, outfits, and secret endings, ensuring hundreds of hours of unique and engaging content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.